should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. On the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup. Let's go get a regular. Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Lulu's height, 98 centimeters. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Wrong. Look for it again. Correct. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound? ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal. Thank you. We are done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten. Hi friends, the new semester has started. Welcome to kindergarten. Please queue up. Let Mew Mew queue up. Let Kiki queue up.
Okay.
Friends, let's say goodbye to Baby Bus.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Goodbye, friends. Have fun in kindergarten. I'll pick you up after class.
This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss May May.
reading.
I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing. Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall.